Hi guys, today we'll take a look at the Dime True Wireless Earbuds from Skullcandy. Price-wise here in Australia, it only costs $70, which puts the Dime right in the mix with some other budget headphones out there. But what do you get for that much money? Out of the box, you get a small micro USB charging cable, a user manual, and finally 2 more pairs of silicone ear tips in small and large sizes, and that's about it. Now, in terms of size, it doesn't get smaller than this. The Skullcandy Dime has one of the smallest carrying cases out there, making them super portable. The case is actually smaller than that of the AirPods Pro and even your car keys. The earbuds also have a very small footprint, which helps to keep the overall weight to around 33 grams. In fact, the total package is so tiny and light that Skullcandy has provided this loop on the side so that you can carry this around with your keys if you want to. Of course, if you don't like it, then you can always take them off. The earbuds are totally made of plastic except for the silicone ear tips, which has 2 Skullcandy logos on the sides. There is another Skullcandy logo on the front of the earbud as well, but it is not in your face, which is good, rather it is something to be discovered. This side also has a different texture to touch and is totally flat. And this design choice is very useful because the Dime earbuds lets you control music from the earbuds. So having a non-slippery and almost rubbery texture helps with that quite a bit. The case though has quite an unique design. As you can see that the top has 2 slits which you cannot tell if the earbuds are inside the case. Not sure about this choice of design though, because this means that dirt will get inside easily through these gaping holes when the earbuds are out. But other than that, this lid actually closes in 2 stages. The first stage is via magnets like this, which has a satisfying click to it, and the second stage is via a physical lock, and this will have a much more clicky sound. So once you have this physical lock in place, I can assure you that no amount of shaking or bumping will open the latch because it is that good. I have tested it out in various different situations, it just doesn't open. So it's excellent. Though the entire headphone is made out of plastic, I have had no issues with comfort whatsoever. The Skullcandy Dime fits perfectly in my ear like it should, but I recommend that you find the right earbud size for your ear for optimum comfort and a proper stable fit so that the earbuds stay in their place properly. In terms of battery, the Dime is average at best. Official timelines are that the earbuds will last at least 3.5 hours in single charge and the case can provide additional 8.5 hours of battery. But your experience may differ from the official numbers as they will depend on how the earbuds are being used. The Skullcandy Dime has a physical control under the logo on both the earbuds which you will have to physically push. You can use them to control volume or change tracks, but the problem is when I put the earbuds in my ears and then try pushing these buttons, the earbuds press against my ear so hard that the experience is not that pleasant. I would rather get my phone out to do these tasks if I have to. Plus, there are so many things to remember. Just take a look at this user manual. But other than that, the controls do work very well and are very responsive. The earbuds connect via Bluetooth 5.0 and I think it supports all the major codecs like ANC and SBC. I say this with some doubt because I could not find the official tech specs online, so I'm not really sure, but it connected with my iPhone, so it has to support AAC, and there are others who connected this with the Android phones. So yeah, I guess that's all I can say about them at this point. Alright, let's talk about the sound of the Skullcandy for a bit. It does lack that edge that we have seen in their higher end headphones. I guess that is understandable given its price point. I mean, the soundstage is not too wide or not too narrow, it kinda sounded like right in the middle. Then the equalizer settings also seemed a little bit flat because the bass, treble and mids all sounds a little bit muted at lower volume levels. But if I crank up the volume a little bit high or absolutely to the top, then I got some decent fidelity out of them. But otherwise, nothing really to write home about. Testing the microphone of the Skullcandy Dime Black. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. As you just heard in the test, the mic seems to be picking up everything around me as well as the voice. I think that it would pose some problems for the person on the other end to listen to me properly. So if you take a lot of calls on the go, then maybe these earbuds will not be that great. In terms of feature, you get the IPX4 water resistance rating, which means that you can get the earbuds a little bit wet while jogging or exercising. And another feature worth mentioning is that both the headphones are master earbuds, so you can use either one of them. But the problem is that they have to be turned on or off separately. keeping them just on the case by themselves would not turn the earbuds off automatically. So if you want to save some battery, make sure that you have turned them off when placing them on the case. Overall, I think that for a budget pair of earbuds, the Skullcandy has delivered well. The Dime is a very reliable earbud that always stays connected with your device without any fail. I really like the design and how they look and felt. The sound quality is not bad either, so if you get the Dime earbuds, I would say that it's gonna be worth it. But that's just my opinion out there. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafi signing off till next week. Peace!